Hello, good morning to all of you. I welcome to all in class 8. Myself Meghna Sharma will be teaching maths of grade 8, chapter 6, squares and square roots. Square, number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself. It is the number raised to the power 2. For example, 2 square is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Square of 2 is 4. It means when I am multiplying any number by itself, the number obtained is called a square. Another example is when I am multiplying 4 multiplied by 4, it will come 16. It means 16 is a perfect square number. Perfect square or square number. It is the square of some natural number. If m is equals to n square, then m is a perfect square number where m and n are natural numbers. For example, 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 square. 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 square. It means m is 4 and n is 2 square. And 4 and 2 both are natural numbers. Another example, 9 is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3 square. It means 3 and 9 both are natural numbers. Properties of square numbers. A number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. It means if a number, it's a unit digit and its unit digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8. It means it is not a perfect square number. You can see in example 6593. Its unit digit is 3. So that's why it is not a perfect square because its unit digit is 3. A number ending in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 may not be necessarily a square number. For example, 20. Now here 20 is not a perfect square of any number. But 100 is a perfect square of 10. But 200 is not a perfect square. Square of even numbers is even, like 2 square is equals to 4. 4 square is equals to 16. 6 square is equals to 36. Square of every odd number is odd. 1, 3 and 5 are odd numbers. You can see when I am multiplying, 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. And 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 25. Through these three examples, we can see the square of every odd number is odd. A number ending in an odd numbers of 0 cannot be a perfect square. Like in 10, it's a 1 times 0. 1 is odd number, so that's why it is not a perfect square. But in 100, yes, in 100, 0 occurs 2 times and 2 is an even number, so that's why it is a perfect square. But in the case of 200, 0 occurs 2 times and 2 is also an even number, but that's why we said it is not necessary. Number ending in even number of zeros may or may not be a perfect square. Like 100, in 100, 2 times 0 occurs. So that's why it is a perfect square. That's why we use may or may not. In 200 or in 300, 0 occurs 2 times. And 2 is an even number. But 200 and 300 is not a perfect square number. The difference of square of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum. The difference we have to find the difference of square of two consecutive word means continue natural numbers are there. Suppose I am taking an example 3 and 4 here. The square of 4 and square of 3. 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7, and when we are adding 4 plus 3, that is equals to 7. Let us see another example. 4 and 5. The square of 5 is 25. 4 square. 4 4s are 16. 25 minus 16 is equals to 9, and the sum of 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. The sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. There is no need to add all the numbers. Without adding it, we can use this property, that is n square. For example, I am taking sum of first two odd numbers, that is 1 and 3. The sum of these two is 4. But without adding it, how many numbers are there? Two consecutive odd numbers. So we will do 2 square. 2 square, that is equals to 4. A triplet MNP of three natural numbers M, N and P is called Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet word comes from Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, there is a right angle triangle and it has three sides. That's why, because of three sides, it's become triplet and it has three members. The longest side of a Pythagorean in a right angle triangle in a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse. That's why hypotenuse we take it as p square. The sum of m square plus n square is equals to p square. Thank you. I hope you all will understand easily and completely understand.